Be creative, look around in the house where you could attach the band to something. I use a coffee table. So you just take it, put it right around it, grab it, let the cable be in the center of your body. That's one of the things I require. Feet straight, hip, knee, ankle lined up. Now, chest up, you want to stick your butt out towards the back wall as much as you can, and then bend forward. Okay, now you're going to take your hands and you're going to turn them this way. You're going to get your arms upward, and you're going to lock your arms all the way out and hit that tricep nice and hard. Look at her abs are tight, her chest are up, her neck is straight, she's looking straight. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way back. Notice she's going only to a 90-degree angle, okay? You want to keep your wrist nice and straight as well. You don't want your wrist to go upward or downward, nice and straight and solid. Go ahead. You don't want to sway back and forth, bend down, up, sideways. I don't know what you people come up with, but you want to keep it nice and solid. Her knees aren't moving either. Get those elbows as close to your side as you can. You don't want them outward. You want them tucked in, nice and snug and tight, close to your body.